I mean, you can't beat interpersonal skills across the board. Having a good attitude. I had this when I was younger in some of my jobs and stuff where I didn't understand the bigger picture. So you'd have someone asking you to do something and you'd be like, why am I doing this? It's often you might not understand it. There's all these other factors happening around you that you just need to do that job, and that's really important at that point that might not feel like for everyone else.
Positive energy, and it's probably like a hard thing to define, but coming into a conversation and coming into it with the opportunity that you're going to learn something, and being excited about that. Because if you go into a conversation with somebody who doesn't want to be there, you know that immediately.
I don't know if it's a skill, but not taking anything personally. I think that's something I had to learn over the years. You're bound to have some negative feedback, or client having changes, or people disliking what you do.
Actually, I do think communication is really, really important. It just affects every part of your business and every part of what you do. At the end of the day, being able to manage expectations and just communicate your opinions and your views on a project openly in a way that the client will understand and not feel spoken down to in any way.
Definitely communication. I think having a drive to do well for a client, so wanting to have input, showing that there's more to you than just, creating a logo. I had a look at this and, I noticed they did that and I think this is a great idea.
Humility and empathy are the two big ones. Understanding of where they're coming from, that is really important as well.
Just be open. Just be open and accepting. You never know who you're going to talk to, and you never know what value they're going to provide to any conversation. There's always going to be someone who knows more about something than you do, and you have to be okay with that. Because if you're not, you're going to be a shit person to work with.